Right, good morning, boys and girls. Today our stories are going to be about Santa Claus. And this is a craft you will have in your craft kit, along with a Santa activity for you to do. So if you want to come by the library or if you come to Storytime, you can pick up your kit then. Alright, our first one is called Shhh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way, sang Santa loudly. Shh! You have to be quiet tonight, said the reindeer, or you'll wake the children. I'll try, said Santa, but I do love Christmas. They flew toward the first house. Santa was so excited he forgot to land on the roof. He landed in the backyard instead. Merry Christmas, cat, roared Santa. Shh, whispered the cat. Don't wake the children. Of course I won't, said Santa, but... Oops, he cried as he slipped on a patch of ice and crashed to the ground. Shh, whispered the snowman. Don't wake the children. Sorry, said Santa, but Christmas is my favorite time of the year. At the Christmas tree, Santa pulled a jack-in-the-box out of the sack. Boink! It popped open and hit him in the nose. Oh, ho, 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 laughed Santa. Shh, whispered the dog. Don't wake the children. Right, Santa agreed. Bumpity bump, crash. Santa tripped, skidded, and fell into the fireplace. Ha, 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 choo! Sneezed Santa, rubbing soot from his nose. Shh, whispered the kitten. Don't wake the children. Yes, we must be quiet, said Santa. And as silently as he could, Santa visited many more homes until at last his sack was empty. To the North Pole, Santa called to his reindeer. Back home, Santa was fast asleep, all finally quiet when munch, crunched the reindeer as they ate their dinner. Shh, whispered Santa's mouse. Don't wake Santa. Okay. The next one is who will pull my sleigh? Uh-oh. Are the reindeer not going to pull his sleigh? It was Santa's first Christmas delivering presents to boys and girls all around the world. And he wanted everything to be perfect. The new sleigh had just been painted. The elves had finished making the toys. And Santa's suit was looking fine. Just one more detail to work out. Who was going to pull Santa's sleigh knife? Santa knew it was a big job and he needed to find the best. And he had only 7 days until Christmas Eve. So he wrote a job description and sent it out to all the animals. Group of animals needed to pull sleigh on top secret mission. Must be able to work as a team. Landing accuracy important. Only one night of work each year. See the world. Full benefits including dental. Please report to the North Pole for an interview. ASAP. Magic flying dust will be provided. The next morning the interviews began. We only had a week to get it right. We want to hang out in the chimneys, said the bat. We like to take our time, maybe one house a night. Can we eat the presents? Can we eat the trees? Can we even eat the elves? Santa chose the top teams for a test run. But the bunnies were too bouncy. The skunks were too skunky. The gophers were nowhere to be found. The raccoons were making all out like bandits. They were taking all the presents. The elephants were too heavy, and the cats were just being cats. The monkeys were looking like they could be right for the job. They just needed a good landing. Perfect! Santa was so happy and announced, "I declare the monkeys will be my official sleigh pullers." The end. You know what this means, said the monkey. Snowball fight! Unfortunately, the monkeys were full of monkey business. With only 3 days left, the search continued. The dogs started out great as they soared through the trees, but around the chimney with a perfect landing, Santa was so excited he shouted out loud, "I declare the dogs my official sleigh pullers." The end. Absolutely final. Well, let's see. Squirrels, they said. So off they go. Look, they're scared of the squirrel. Look where his sleigh ended up, in the chimney, and Santa on top of the roof in the snow. Now Santa was really worried. Land a little sore from the landing. There was only 2 days before Christmas Eve. He had considered almost all applicants, and no animals had met all the job requirements. And there was only one job application left. But the reindeer have what it takes. Work as a team, not as bouncy as bunnies. Don't want to eat the elves, lighter than an elephant, not at all stinky, not distractedly at squirrels. So far, so good. Now for the test run. Through the trees, around the chimney, nailed it, and onto the roof for a perfect landing. And from that night on, they're not as bouncy as a bunny, but lighter than an elephant, and not at all sticky, not mischievous or distracted. Reindeer were hired as the official sleigh pullers. Then, for the real this time. So he got his reindeers after all. Alright. Our next one is I Seen Santa. It was Christmas Eve, and Little Bear was looking forward to seeing Santa. "Is Santa as big as you?" he asked Big Bear. "Nearly," said Big Bear proudly. "Oh," said Little Bear, looking worried. "Then will Santa fit down the chimney?" "Oh, of course he will," said Big Bear. "I'll show you." Big Bear went outside and climbed into the chimney. Crash! "See, Big Bear, from a cloud of soot, Santa will have no problem." "Santa won't come if he sees this mess," said Mommy Bear. "We'll clean it up," said Little Bear. "Does Santa visit bears all over the world?" said Little Bear. "Yes, he goes every house." Said Little Bear. "He might not have time to come here, and then I won't have any presents." "Don't worry," said Mommy. "Santa will come just as soon as you go to sleep." Little Bear didn't want to go to sleep. He wanted to see Santa. He listened to Mommy Bear and Big Bear going to bed, and then, glug, 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 glug. What was that noise? Someone was downstairs. Someone big was sitting by the fireplace. Yes, whispered Little Bear. It's Santa. I've seen Santa. Little Bear tiptoed up and saw Big Bear. That's Santa's milk, said Little Bear. I only wanted a sip, said Little Bear, or Big Bear. Before I go to sleep, he took Little Bear by the hand. Come on, Little Bear, let's go to bed. Little Bear tried to stay awake, but soon he began to doze. Then a loud noise downstairs woke him up. Munch, munch, munch. Someone big was standing by the Christmas tree. This time it had to be Big Bear again. Now you're eating Santa's blueberry pies, said Little Bear. I was hungry, said Big Bear. If Santa is as greedy as you, said Mommy Bear, he really will be too big to fit down the chimney. Now go to bed and go to sleep, both of you. Little Bear went to bed, but he couldn't go to sleep. He was too worried. He woke up Big Bear to ask him a question. What if Santa eats too many blueberry pies and gets stuck in the chimney? Said Big Bear. Let's keep watch to make sure he's okay, said Little Bear. We can hide so he won't see us. Shh, whispered Little Bear. From their hiding place, I hear something. It must be Santa this time. Someone was putting presents in the stocking. Big Bear turned on his flashlight to see. Mommy Bear, what are you doing, said Big Bear. I'm giving both of you presents for me, said Mommy Bear. What are you doing? We're going to bed, said Big Bear. We're going to see Santa, squealed Little Bear. Mommy Bear laughed. Make room for me, she said. We'll all see Santa. Little Bear, Big Bear, Mommy Bear stayed downstairs all through the night. But they never did see Santa, even though Santa saw them. See, they went to sleep. All right, now let's do old MacDonald. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here moo, there moo, everywhere moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a chick, E-I-E-I-O. With a chick, chick here and a chick, chick there. Here chick, there chick, everywhere chick, chick. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh, neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a oink, oink here and a oink, oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink, oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. All right, now we'll do 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed, okay? Okay, get memories here. Five little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Four little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Three little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Two little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. One little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. See you later, boys and girls, and have a great day.